Hey everyone, welcome to April 2019, where I am unpacking my doTERRA monthly wellness box with you all. So I like to do this each month to show you what it is that I order through doTERRA's monthly ordering program called Loyalty Rewards and have shipped directly to my front door, and how I use these oil and oil products in my everyday life to create a glowing lifestyle. So it switches up each month, and that's why I love doing a monthly recap of what I get each month, because sometimes I need some new things, and this month is a great example of that. I actually have kind of switched back to getting more oils, essential oils, than the oil products. So if you've seen my past videos, you'll see that I get a lot of essential oil infused products versus just the oil bottles themselves. But I needed to stock up on some oils this month, so I can't wait to share with you what it is I have in this order and how I use them. So I'll get started with the oils first, because that's what brought me to this whole lifestyle in the first place. Okay, so first up, bergamot. This is like one of my favorite citrus oils ever. It smells so amazing. It really creates a positive vibe for yourself, so I love diffusing it. I love using it on the body. It's a great one to apply to the skin. You rub it all over your body before you hop in the shower, and you get the benefits of it that way. So it's very uplifting. It's just an overall great oil to have in your collection, because it can create such positive vibes for you and how you want to feel. So that is one of the ones I had to replace, because let's be honest, I have a few bottles all over my house and they are all so low. So I can't wait to have a supple amount of this again. So bergamot's number one that I needed. Bergamot, you can pronounce it either way. And then another one I needed to replenish was Hawaiian sandalwood. So it's not focusing very well. It's focusing on my background. Okay, so this comes in a 5 milliliter bottle, and I go through this pretty quickly, but I try and prolong it as much as I can. But this oil is so beautiful. And actually, I was just reading about the sourcing story to it. So if you have not been to doTERRA's website or really understand what it is that they do for their sourcing of their oils, they're in control of about 95% of where the oils come from, and they source indigenously from around the globe. So they go to where the oils grow in their natural habitat, and then they work with those local communities to harvest and create the oil. And it's such a beautiful kind of working ecosystem, if you will, that doTERRA has with all these partnered farms. And Hawaiian sandalwood, what I was just reading so it obviously comes from Hawaii, and what they've done is they've worked on reforesting the area where the Hawaiian sandalwood tree grows. So it's not only creating a beautiful opportunity to grow this tree and have it in abundance again, because it was going away, but then it's helping that local community and for those who know how to farm and harvest it. So it provides like a stable system where we get these beautiful oils, and the people who are in charge of them get to have a great work opportunity. So that is part of doTERRA's co-impact sourcing, and that's just one of the examples. So there are many more oils where they work like that, where they go in and help the local community, and then in return we get this beautiful pure essential oil. So this is one that I love. I love using this one in my hair. So when I condition my hair and I get out of the shower, I like to put it in the ends of my hair to just really help like condition and re-moisturize it. I love it in the diffuser. It's such a zen oil, so it's just going to create really happy vibes. So you could do it with bergamot for sure, or bergamot. And I love it on the skin as well. So it's just such a beautifying oil, and I love the smell of it. So that is one that I needed to replenish because I was running really low on it. I literally had like one drop that I squeezed out of it. So I'm gonna probably get diffusing that in my afternoon diffuser blend soon. And then next up, I have Roman chamomile. So this is such a good oil for supporting sleep. Really promotes relaxation. When I first got Roman chamomile for the very first time, so I joined doTERRA in 2016, and it was actually an oil that you could not purchase until the following December. So about 11 months after I started with doTERRA, this became available again, because again, they are so solid in how they source their oils and making sure that they're doing it from a place that is going to produce a pure therapeutic grade oil, and they're not going to compromise on that. So because of that, Roman chamomile was out of stock for a while, just so they could get the supply up again. And when I got this oil, it identified with me so much that I would crave the smell of it. it was crazy. So I obviously needed it. I needed the relaxation properties from it, but I craved it so much that I would just, I could smell it. So that's when I would use it a lot, and I still do love it. It's a beautiful oil to put into your diffuser blend at nighttime. It pairs really well with lavender and vetiver, and it just really can help promote relaxation. But it is one that you can take internally. So you'll note that if you're using a pure grade essential oil, so I trust doTERRA's, and you can take them internally, and they have supplement facts on it. So you can kind of see it there. Again, the focus isn't working too well right now, but so it has a supplement fact label on it, which means that you can take it internally. So what I was doing too is, because it is an oil that really does promote relaxation, so it's one that I gear towards in the evenings, is I was adding a drop of this to my tea because I was obsessed with the smell of it. I could almost taste it in my mouth, that I literally did add it to my tea so I could taste it. So this is one that I was, again, running low on, and because it is such a staple in our nighttime diffuser blends, I needed to restock it. So for instance, tonight I will probably put this in the diffuser, 3 drops of this with 3 drops lavender, maybe add in some vetiver, or even bergamot's a great one too. It helps promote calming, or it can help invigorate. It's a great multi-use one, but that's a good diffuser blend to pop into your diffuser at nighttime. So that's another one that I stocked up on. And then I'm super excited for this one. So this one is a new one as of the spring 2019. It is called Citrus Bloom, and it's part of like the Mother's Day collection. So I'm just gonna open it right now because I'm so excited. Oh, it smells fabulous. So it's like really citrusy. It has wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia in it. This blend is beautiful, guys. So I might actually pop this into my diffuser right now after I get done shooting this video. It smells amazing. These combos are super, super awesome. So I am so happy that I took advantage of this blend. So you can buy this blend on its own, which I did, or you can get it with a diffuser, which when I went to get it, it was sold out, and now it's back in stock at the time we're recording this video, but I'm super pumped that I got this. So this is a special limited edition one, and truthfully, it's really awesome. I can't wait to put it in my diffuser blend. So that, also from the new kids collection, Thinker, wanted to stock up on that. This is an oil blend that is great for helping kids before they go into the school, or, you know, out for a dance class or a soccer practice or something like that. So I always keep this at our door that we exit our home at, so that I can put it behind my daughter's ears before she goes to school. Or for instance, yesterday she had a soccer game, so I put that behind her ears too. It smells amazing. It's great for kids, but I totally wear it too. So it's the focus blend, and it has beautiful oils for just helping with concentration and focus and keeping them, you know, on task and not everywhere. So this is one that I wanted to stock up on. And then I have some other goodies. So toothpaste is one that I order every month. Me and my daughter, my husband use it, so we will keep one in my daughter's bathroom and one in ours, and we just always have one on hand. So this is something that I just order every month to have, to make sure that we always have toothpaste. And then I had to stock up on some more breathe drops. So these came in really handy with, you know, the seasonal shifts and allergy season and environmental, you know, all that stuff. So when you're congested, these are great to take. They're like a mint though too, because they have peppermint in them. So these are great kind of just for sucking on and having as an option as a breath mint. But yeah, really great for helping respiratory and open up the airways and all that. So this was something that we were running low on, so I just wanted to stock up on them. And then I'm so excited for these too. This is a new product. These are ginger digestive drops. So can't vouch for these yet because I've never tried them, because they are brand new. So I will try one of these and get back to you as well. But they're made with ginger and lemon essential oil. So it's just a great thing to have for your digestion. I even think for a sore throat, because ginger is great for sore throat. But if you're out, these are good things to have, especially the breathe drops in these. They're great because you can kind of have them on the go and just keep them stocked with you. So these would be great if you're eating out or traveling a lot, just to make sure that your stomach doesn't, you know, if it doesn't vibe well with what you're eating, then these are a great option to have, and I cannot wait to try them. So that's one thing I got too. I just have a couple more items. This is one that my hubby is like, okay, give it to me already. So the mouthwash. He loves this new mouthwash by doTERRA. It launched last September. So we just keep this in our bathroom, and he uses it every night. It really does help with your oral health and the pH of your balance of your mouth. So this is a great one to have. It definitely has a little bit more tinge of cinnamon in it. So the first time I swished it in my mouth, it kind of really took me off guard because it had a big hit of cinnamon, but it's super, super refreshing and awesome. So that was another thing we had to stock up on. And I pretty much do get that every month just because my husband does use it more regularly than me, and we go through it in about a month's time. And then finally, or second to last, is this toner. So I just ran out of it, but I will have to do a whole video on my skincare routine because this fits beautifully in it for a glowing skincare routine. So it has lavender, ylang ylang, and German chamomile essential oils in it. So I like to tone my face every night with this, and I just love this toner so much. It's so refreshing and just and the smell alone smells so awesome. So I had to stock up on that because we are completely out. And then for getting all these beautiful natural health goodies, if you order by the 15th of the month, at the time of this recording, it's way past the 15th, but I did place my order before the 15th. For getting about $125 worth of oils and oil products, you'll get a free oil of the month each and every month through doTERRA's monthly ordering program. So this month it was the Breathe Respiratory Blend Roller. So this is pre-diluted, so it's great for all skin types and sensitivities. And this was the free oil this month. And it was awesome timing because I needed to restock on this. So now instead of purchasing it, just for getting all my other health goodies and my natural tools that we use in our home every day, I got this for free. So I love that about doTERRA's monthly ordering program. The fun part is that you don't know what the free oil will be until the first of the new month hits. So this was April's, and it fits very well with the seasonal shifts. And I think that's why doTERRA really recognizes that and does and kind of suits their oils to things like that, or caters to the use of the oil. So this is a really, really good one right now for, the blossoming of flowers and, all the pollen in the air. So this is a great one if you are experiencing seasonal shifts. This is how I would recommend it. I would use this across the chest. I would use it across the bridge of the nose, or I would roll it on the hands, rub together, and take a deep inhale. So this is one that my husband needs. He works on the golf course. He's a golf coach. So this is one that all the golfers need right now. And just like with the Breathe Respiratory Drops, these are great. This is a great combo to have if you do suffer from seasonal allergies, like my husband and all the golfers too. So that is it for my monthly order. Let me know if you have any questions, and I have links below this video to my website to learn more about getting started with oils, what the current promo is, other information. I definitely love focusing on a whole holistic approach to your health, not just one key area. Oils fit into that, but if you want to check out my website, I have more on nutrition, eating plant-based, obviously living holistic lifestyle and natural, and working oils into it. And that's what I do each and every month with these monthly boxes. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions too. You can post them below or head to my website and use the contact page for getting in touch with me. So hope you have a great month.